Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Chris Cooper, known as the Channel Guy Trader, and I'm reporting to you live from Wall Street Trading Satellite Office down in sunny South Florida. Today's date is Monday, September the 17th, 2012, and here's today's midday market update. I want to first start by taking a look to see how the indices are trading right now. The Dow Jones is trading down 33.5. The comp is at down a little over 7.5 points. Russell's down 5.75. S&P is down 2.7. Taking a look at the banking index, the BKX is down 46 cents. The XOY is up 41 cents. So some positive action going on in the energy sector. Right now, the market's kind of slow. As you guys can see right now, I had the 15-minute chart and the 5-minute chart of the ES. We're in a nice little tight triangle. It's getting tighter and tighter. Would not be surprised if they try to break the market out. While everybody's waiting off their screens. So people are saying, hey, the market's been slow. Let me go get off the screens, and they break it out of this little triangle. Who knows? In any case, you want to watch a 1458 level here. We've been tracking this level as resistance from last Friday. Let me go back and show you guys what I'm talking about here. I'm taking the chart to the left now on the right part of the screen here. That was a consolidation range that we had right here before the market, try to break down. All right, and then they recaptured it right here. Let me zoom the chart out. You guys probably see it better. This action right here, guys. See this little action? This is where we're having trouble breaking through this little band of resistance. You can see Friday, they broke Friday around 315. They broke us below it, traded right back above it. So that remains our inflection level that we're working off today. And so far, it's been working pretty well. Right here, when the market was on highs, we were not looking to get long equities. We were actually looking to short equities or take profit in some of the stocks that we were long, like the TNA and stuff like that. And that worked out pretty well. So now the market's chopping around. We got this nice little tight triangle. If we break out of this triangle, we're going to be looking for a move back up towards 1458. So far, the IWM is holding previous day's lows. The Qs are trading below the open price and the previous day's close, so they need to get above the 70-20 level on the QQQs to get some positive order flow. Trading sideways. SPY is chopping around this 147 area. Not much going on. It is a Jewish holiday, and there's probably a lot of people that are not at their desks today. So therefore, continue to watch this triangle on the ES. Some strong stocks that we've been tracking today so far. Oh, MCP, we called this one out for long. Once it broke over this high, the alert went off. Got involved at 64, sold some up here at 93. And then I didn't get the dip, but a couple of traders in the chat room, mywallstreettv.com, that's our chat room right there. We're able to buy that dip. And again, every time I get a chance, I try to post the trades on Twitter and Facebook. So make sure you're following us on those avenues right there, those networks. You have Wall Street Trade, WALLST Trade at Twitter, and then you have my Twitter handle is Ask Chris He Trade. Basically, Ask Chris He Trades without the S there, like my old website name. So, anyways, hope you guys are having a great day. Again, if we continue to get this little sideways chop action here, not going to be looking to do much. And that's really about it, guys. Let's take a look at a couple more stocks before I sign out. Give me 1 second. Let me bring my other screen over here. All right, so we had the MCP we're looking at. FFIV, another strong stock that we've been tracking here. Got involved at this one at 105.20. And you can see it's really not doing anything much right now. It ran up to a high at 105.84. Went up 60 cents. The whole play on the trade, though, was a downward channel break play, which is what we kind of look for intraday on chart patterns. Well, kind of what I look for. And right now we have a nice little downward channel break, rallied up. Usually what you're going to see probably is like a nice little pullback somewhere in this area to work off of a little higher pivot low off one of these candlesticks from the breakout. That's usually how that pattern works out there. So, if it holds a higher base up here, that means it's even stronger. If it comes back down here and gets bought right back up and put some type of hammer candlestick, that means people are looking for that pullback, and there's definitely buyers down there, and it could go back up. And then if it just fails and comes all the way back down and breaks back below one of these little candlestick lows right here, then that just counts as a whole pattern in itself. So that's what we're watching right there. Apple had some news out this morning that, they did a lot of pre-ordering for their iPhone 5 stock. Sold off from the open, rallied back up, trading sideways. Again, the energy stocks are pretty hot. ExxonMobil was hanging up there, trying to break past previous day's highs up there, as you can see, pulled right back in. And this, guys, if you have these inflection points on your charts and you guys know these levels and you guys see how the market conditions are at that time, you could recognize that this is a nice little bull trap, and you could get short that and capitalize on that trade. Not a lot, but you're looking about 30 cents. Either way, that's an easy setup. Wasn't watching it, but just giving you guys an example of how to look for bull traps and bear traps. And in this example, it's a bull trap. CVX, let's take a look at this energy stock. CVX trading up pretty nice here. These large cap integrated energy companies are trading pretty strong today. Let's take a look at SLB. SLB looks pretty decent as well. All right, watch this one. Kind of setting up a nice little downward channel right here. You guys can see that setting up a nice little downward channel. So wouldn't be surprised if maybe it pulls back towards the 7770 level, and then maybe tries to get a pop up. Just going to keep on watching the energy stocks since the XOI is showing some decent strength today. Don't want to make the video too long because there's really not much going on today, you guys. So trade them safe, and I'll catch you guys after the close today for the after the bell market summary. If you want access to the chat room, make sure you go to wallstreettrading.com. Fill out the form on the right-hand side. You get an automatic email giving you access, giving you the passcode to access the chat room, My Wall Street TV. Have a good afternoon, guys, and catch you guys after the close. Peace.